Using AI is already a shortcut. Magkaka-interest ka pa ba gumawa ng site kung walang AI? Not saying it's bad, I just think your way used is a shortcut. Bakit ganun? Lord, kayang-kaya gumawa ng website without AI. I've done it before, WordPress, Go High Level, manual build, lahat yan guys. But the real question is, bakit mo pipiliin maging slow kung pwede ka naman maging efficient? Okay, let me explain this way. Using AI is like a smartphone. Before, we had keypad phones. You can still text, you can still call, gumagana naman. But now, we have smartphone. Mas mabilis, mas efficient, and mas maraming kayang gawin. So, ang tanong, are you gonna go back to the keypad just to prove na kaya mo? Same thing as AI. AI is not deciding the structure. AI is not the one who is building the structure. Ako pa rin yun. Tayo pa rin yun, guys. What AI does, it helps me execute faster. Instead of spending 5 hours writing a copy, I can do it in minutes. And ito pa guys, sa market ngayon, hindi na labanan kung marunong ka lang gumawa. Ang labanan ngayon guys is who can move faster, who can adapt faster, and that's where AI gives you an advantage. And in this business guys, speed matters. So no, AI is not a shortcut. It's a tool. Follow ko dyan.